Hey, everybody. Uh, let's go through lesson 7, talking about equivalent expressions here. Okay. Our essential question we talk about is how is it helpful to write numbers in different ways? And we've talked about a couple of them already, breaking them up. And that's kind of one of the things that we're going to do here is break them up and group them so that they're easier to work with. A couple of vocabulary terms that are going to be pretty big here for us and that we'll see. Um, we've got a term, a coefficient, a constant, and the like terms. Okay, so I'm just going to read through this part here, right? In addition or subtraction, sign separate an algebraic expression into parts. Each part is called a term, right? So if I look down at this picture right here, this 3x is a term, this 7 is a term, and this x is a term, but they also have different names too. The numerical factor of a term that contains a variable is called a coefficient. So if I look at this 3 over here, that 3 is called a coefficient because it has a variable next to it. A term without a variable is called a constant. This number 7, all by itself, is a constant. And then this x over here, we know is a variable. Okay. And so like terms are terms that contain the same variables, such as x, 2x, and 3x. So this 3x and this x would be like terms. Okay. So take a moment, fill in the parts over here that go with this 4n, this 2n, and this 9, right? Knowing which one's a coefficient, contains a number and a variable, a constant, which is just a number, which ones are terms, which ones are like terms, and we'll get back to that part.